Let's create this flawless base makeup look. I am first using Plum Bulgarian Rose Water Toner followed by MAC Prep+Prime Natural Radiance in pink. Now I am using a mattifying primer from My Makeup Story. After applying my primer all over the face thoroughly, I am going to use my foundation. I am using MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 and mixing it with Nykaa Strobe and Glow Cream. Mixing it with a mini foundation brush from PROARTE and applying it all over my face, blending it out with my Forever 52 Beauty Blender. Now I'm using a My Makeup Story concealer palette and ProArt concealer brush to contour and highlight my face. Look how I am using it to create a really chiseled look on my face. Now I am using a Forever 52 Beauty Blender to blend all the highlighted areas on my face. Always remember to use a damp beauty blender. Now, once my highlighted areas are done, I am going to even out and blend the contoured areas on my face. Using a brush to blend my nose. Now, once everything is blended, we are going to set our face with Invisible Fixing Powder from My Makeup Story. Now we are going to use a cheek pop blush from Forever 52 and set everything with MAC Prep+Prime+Fix in the shade Original. This is the final result of our base makeup. Look how the skin is looking flawless and glowing. You can also have a closer look at my skin. My skin is looking really natural. Follow me for more such videos.